Hi guys, it's Brooke. So today I'm going to be going through the 12 days of Revolve Beauty advent calendar. So this is what it looks like whenever you open it. It has everything in an individual box. It's very cute. I guess I'll just go right in. First item is the Iconic London Illuminator. Cute. This feels like it's like a full size product too. I've definitely seen these and they look really pretty. I feel like I'm way too pale to use these right now. I will like fake tan soon, but in the summer I could definitely use these as a highlight, just a liquid highlighter, but really good quality. It's in a glass bottle. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm still a little tan from summer still on my body, but I exfoliate my face so much that it never keeps a tan. That's beautiful though. Even that like on the chest, so pretty. Okay. And I rub it out. Honestly, I probably could use this now, just like I have to rub it out a lot. That's gorgeous. Okay. That's what's awesome about like advent calendars is you get things that you normally would never try or buy, because I don't really use highlighter anymore. Or I do, but only on my nose, but I am tempted to use it again, like in the old, like 2016 way. Two. Let's see. Okay. Dr. Barbara, I don't know why I'm having issues with this. Dr. Barbara Sturm, whatever. It's Molecular Cosmetics Glow Drops. So another glow drop thing, but I know whenever I watch like celebrities do their skincare, a lot of people use Barbara Sturm. So I'm assuming it's very nice, very expensive. It's a tiny bottle, but still, I mean, like actually, it's a pretty good size for like how expensive I bet this is. Let's look it up. I'm just like curious. I'm not gonna look up the price of everything. Maybe if I'm feeling frisky, I'll put prices of everything down below and like link everything individually. I don't know what I'll do. But, ooh, 4.4 stars out of 5. That's on their website, but that's promising. Okay, I am so shocked right now. This size and everything, 10 milliliters, or am I saying that? 10 milliliters is $60. So this was $60. And what's the price of this? Okay, that's crazy. So this whole thing is $89. It's a $327 value. That's actually insane. Hi Zaza baby. Oh my goodness. I love this baby. Okay. Will you stay with me? Wild Rose Extract refines pores, anti-aging powerhouse porcelain, reduces the visible signs of irritation, while Dr. Barbara Sturm's blended formulation of hyaluronic acid molecules binds moisture. So it's kind of like just like a glowing moisture. It's probably like a dupe, or like it's gonna be similar to the Glow Recipe Glow Drops. But yeah, very excited to use those. I'm assuming it'll be awesome under makeup. Sorry if the sun's annoying. I kind of like the way it looks, but I know it might be annoying how it's like doing that. I don't know. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, so number 3, I'm so excited now. Okay, this is such a good deal. So definitely buy this for yourself or for someone you know. Ah, oh my God. This is literally Christmas right now. Okay, are the Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchies. I love these and I love cheetah print, so love, love, love. Number 4. Let's see. Okay, I've had this before and I don't love it, but it's still awesome. I think a lot of other people would like it. It's the Complexion Rescue Bronzer. It's a blush bronzer, kind of like hybrid duo, and it's like a liquid version of it. This is in the shade Kiss of Mauve, so I think it would suit a lot of skin tones. Yeah, I'll probably give this to my roommate or somebody at my work. But yeah, it's still super cool. We are on to number 5. Is that upside down? No. We are on to, yeah, number 5. Let's see. Okay, I've never heard of, oh my God, this is kind of crazy because I was just looking up like recipes for dinner to help me like de-bloat. This is the brand Array. If I'm saying it right, it's bloat at fast acting digestive support. That is so awesome. Say goodbye to belly bloat and take charge of your digestion. I'm so excited to use these. Okay, so there they are. Number 6. Looks like a lip liner, perhaps. Yep, lip pencil. The brand is, I think I've maybe used a lip pencil from them before. Air Perez. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it looks like that. The shade is Naughty, and I will swatch it or look at it. Ooh, okay. I like that. I pressed hard on it, but if you do lightly, I feel like I could do that. Okay, very pretty. Number 7, my favorite number. So hopefully I like whatever's in here. Watch it be like my least favorite. Oh my god, no, this is awesome. I was just like thinking, well, obviously I'm like, my under eyes are so bad, so if you guys have any recommendations for darkness under the eyes, they almost kind of look hollow, like sunken in sometimes because they're so dark. Anyways, if you have any recommendations, let me know. But this is the Belief is how I would assume they'd want me to say it. Aqua Bomb Eye Gel visibly reduces appearance of dark circles and eye bags. So that's awesome. This feels like a full-size product. And I know I bought my roommate the face wash from this brand and she really liked it, she said. So excited to try that. 8. Okay, I see it's Kosas. It is Kosas Soul Glazer Lengthening and Lifting Peptide Mascara. I think I have this. Yeah, I have this, and I like it. It's okay. I don't love it. Yeah, I'll give this to my roommate. On to number 9. Ooh, Oribe. Interesting. Expensive. Nice hair care. Mirror Rinse. Glass hair treatment. So kind of like one of those glossing treatments in the shower. 10. Ooh, Summer Fridays. I want to try more stuff. Ooh, Dream Lip Oil. Definitely feels like a full size as well. So cute. Oh my god. Yeah. Love that color. That is so pretty, but without makeup, I look kind of weird. But it has a lot of color on it. Okay, I'm gonna take it off because I don't really like how it looks with this whole thing going on. Okay, I just like dabbed it off. But that was really cute and it felt very hydrating. It definitely felt a little oily, which makes sense because it says lip oil, but sometimes that deters me. But I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. Maybe I'll do an update on how I feel about all these products. Oh, I'm going out of order. Got me all flustered. So here's 11. Ooh, gee, oh, that was Glossier. Still excited. This is the Goop Beauty Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. So that's cool. I've been using one from Dr. Gross, maybe? I don't think so. I don't know. There's one in my shower that I've been using that I do like. So I don't know, it'd be fun to try this one out as well. I only use stuff like that in the winter, so it's a good time to have it and try it out. Because in the summer, I'm in the sun so much I don't want to exfoliate. Like I want to, but I shouldn't because I want to be in the sun. And last item, oh, sorry, 12. Last item is good old Benetint. But it's in raspberry, which I've never tried, so that's very exciting. And I think this would be really pretty, again, on a lot of skin tones. They did a good job at keeping everything very versatile. Like many people can use any of this, you know? Yeah, I'm very excited because I love the original Benetint. I've tried the Cha-Cha tint. I think it's like a more orange, little more orange. Yeah, and you can, if you don't know what this is, it's like just a tint that you can use on your lips and on your cheeks. Funny story, or I used to work for Benefit, so they told me about how Benetint got started. It was from a stripper. Her name was Rosie, and then she wanted her nipples to be more rosy, so she made a tint with rose petals for her nipples to make them more pink, and then she started selling it, and that's how I think like Benefit got started actually. But yeah, oh, this is pretty. It's a lot darker than like the original, which I mean, once you blend it out, it's kind of like nothing, but yeah, I mean, like I said, it's like nothing. It's right there. But you can build it, and it's like really pretty. It's nice to use whenever you don't have any makeup on. But yeah, yay. Okay, I love all of this so much. I was very impressed, and for however much I said it was it like 69 or 89 or yeah, for being $89, like that's insane. It's such a good deal. So I do recommend this advent calendar. I know some out there kind of suck and they're very underwhelming, but again, I had no idea what was in here, so I'm very pleasantly surprised, and I'm so excited to use everything in here. So yeah, if you were thinking about buying it for yourself or for a loved one, I do recommend it. 2 thumbs up from me. And yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. Like it, subscribe if you'd like or want to, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I do have the 24 days of beauty one as well. I just like didn't have that much time today. I do have to go to my parents' house and run a few errands, get some stuff for dinner. Anyways, yeah, so I just thought I'd do the 12 days of beauty right now. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.